Hello students, so this is video number 3 for chapter 1st of class 11th, maths sets. Okay, so today we will discuss power sets. What is power sets? So let's take an example. Okay, A is a set here 1 2 3. I have given the number of elements 1 2 3. So power set defined as set of all possible subset. Okay, so first we have to take the subset of set A. So set A subsets are 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 2 3 3 1 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, so these all are subset of A. Now we can represent power set as PA. So its definition, it's set of all possible subset. It means we have to make a set of these subsets. So open the curly braces. Now write the subsets. 2 3. Okay, 1 2 2 3 3 1 1 2 3 and 5. So set of all subset is called power set. Okay, so when we have to calculate power set, first we will make subset of the particular set which will given in the questions. Okay, then we will make all the subset in a particular set and we define it as power set. So next is second one is equal sets and equivalent sets. So for example, let's see, A is equal to I have taken 5 6 7 8 and B is equal to 2 4 7 9 and D is equal to 6 7 5 8. So I have taken 3 sets. So let's see number of elements in A, means cardinal number. So number of elements is 1 2 3 4. Number of elements in B 1 2 3 4. So it is also 4. And number of elements in D, it is also 4. So here A, B and D are equivalent sets. It means if the number of elements of all the sets will be equal, then we called it as equivalent set. Okay, write in note, when the number of elements in each set is equal, then it is called as equivalent set. Now here A and D are equal sets. How? See, A and D have same number of elements and 5 6 7 8 6 7 5 8. So these elements are also same in both the sets A and D. Here also 5 6 7 8, here also 5 6 7 8. So when the number of elements is equal and the sets are also equal, then it is called as equal set. So here note, number of elements equal and elements of set also equal, then what we called it? We called it as equal sets. Okay, Now next one is universal set. universal set. So what is universal set? It contains everything. So it is also known as biggest set. Okay, इसके पास सब कुछ होता है. It contains everything, and the symbol is U or X. Many books use U and many books use X as a symbol of universal set. So we will use U. Now we have one set A which is 1, 2, and we have one set B which is 5, 6. Okay, if we want to find the universal set, so U will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a universal set. So we have A 1, 2, B 5, 6 and U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we want to find difference, let's say difference of set. Okay, difference of set. First of all, so we have, take an example A 1, 3, 5, 7 and another example B as 3, 5, 8, 9. Okay, so when we want to find A minus B, okay, so the elements which will match, let's see 3 is matching, so 3 will be cut out. 5 is matching, so 5 will be cut out. And after cutting these 3 and 5, the left elements of the set A will be your difference. So 1 and 7 is A minus B. And if you want to find B minus A, now same 3, 5 and 3, 5 will be cancelled. So here what we left in B, 8 and 9. So in B minus A you will write 8 and 9. So the set which you use first in order first, then use same element of that. Let's see 3, 5 will be cancelled out. We will write the set of A, and here B minus A, so we will write the set of B 8, 9. And if we want to find universal set, and it is 1, 2 and 5, 6, so it will have everything from 1 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it is a biggest set and it contains everything. Okay, let's see one more example for this. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 5, 6, 7. So A minus B is equal to, we will use A minus B. See here nothing is matching in this case. Okay, nothing is matching in this case. So what we will write? Think what we will write. Set A, so A minus B will be is equal to A only. Okay, nothing is matching here, so it will give 1, 2, 3 only. And if we use B minus A, same we get B, means 5, 6, 7. Okay, because nothing is cutting out. Now our next topic is complement of set. Complement of set. So if A is any set, then its complement is represented by A dash or AC or A bar. So different book use different method. This is A slash, AC and A bar. All these are known as complements of a set. So we have one formula that A complement is equal to universal set minus A. A complement is equal to universal set minus A, or you can say that A union A is equal to universal set. This is union sign. Okay, and this is universal set. So A dash means A complement union A is equal to U, and if we use A intersection A dash, it will give us phi. So write down this term. This U is called as union and this opposite U is called intersection. Okay, we will discuss later what is union and what is intersection. So let's have example for A intersection A. Let's see, A is equal to 2, 3, 4. Okay, and A dash is given as 1, 5. So these are not matching at all. So A intersection A is equal to 5. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss about union and intersection in very details. Okay, thank you.